आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. So here we have a question. We have to evaluate first integration of cot square x cosec raised to the power 4x with respect to x, and second is we have to find the integration of cosec raised to the power 4x with respect to x. Okay, I'm going to solve one by one. So my first is given me as I equals to integration cot raised to the power 2x, and here I'm writing this cosec raised to the power 4x as cosec raised to the power 2x times cosec raised to the power 2x dx. Now we know a simple identity that I can write. I'm writing this as it is, and I can write this cosec square x as 1 plus cot square x, and here I'm writing cosec raised to the power 2x as it is. Now from here I am going to assume that let my cot x, it is nothing but t. On differentiating both sides, I will get minus cosec square x dx equals to dt. From here I can replace my cosec square dx by minus dt. So I can write this thing, I'm taking minus outside, and here it will be t raised to the power 2 1 plus t square dt. Now I'm going to multiply this thing inside, so it will be minus integration t square plus t raised to the power 4 dt. Now we know a simple identity. If we have integration of x raised to the power n with respect to x, it is nothing but x raised to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Okay, I'm going to apply this thing over here. So I can write my integration equals to minus of t raised to the power 3, because 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, t raised to the power 3 over 3 plus t raised to the power 5, because 4 plus 1 is 5 over 5, plus complete c as my integrating constant. Now from here I can write my final answer, which is nothing but I equals to minus of, I'm replacing t, which was cot x, so I can write cot cube x over 3 minus cot raised to the power 5 x over 5 plus c as my integrating constant. So this is the final answer for my first part. Now moving towards the second part. So my second part is nothing but integration is cosec raised to the power 4 x with respect to x. Okay, now again I'm writing this cosec raised to the power 4 as integration of cosec square x times cosec square x with respect to x. Now you already know what I'm going to do. I'm going to write my 1 cosec square x as 1 plus cot square x cosec square x dx. Now I'm going to assume that my cot x is nothing but t. On differentiating both sides, I will get minus cosec square x dx equals to dt. From here I can replace again my cosec square x dx with my minus dt. So I can write here I equals to minus, I'm taking outside, and integration 1 plus, as I assumed cot x is t, so it will be 1 plus t square, and this can be replaced by dt. Minus I already taken out. Now I'm going to integrate this thing by using this formula. Okay, so it will be integration of 1 is t plus integration of t square will be t cube over 3. Okay, now plus c as my integrating constant. Now I'm replacing my t, as I assumed my t was cot x, so I'm writing here minus cot x minus cot cube x over 3 plus c. It is the final answer for my second part. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।